30 minutes to do that, so I will not waste much of your time. Okay, so now based on what we did last time, you realize that we talk about the base 10. We did 100. Okay, the reference number 10. Okay, we did the reference number 100, and yesterday we had a little competition with that using the 10 and then 100. Okay, so now for instance, I told you you can also use, let's say, 20, 30. Okay, so I'm going to give a question where it involves we using 20 as a reference number, and if we have that, how do you solve that?
I had a little difficulty.
Where?
The 20 when I was doing the work.
Okay, so we are going to do that, so kindly watch. So we doing the 20 the same as you doing the 10. Okay, so those having difficulties should just watch what we are going to do today. Okay, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I have a number here. Let's say I have let's say 20. Let me pick a serious number. So I have 29 times 18. Okay, and you are supposed to solve this. So you realize that we don't know the answer for now. You realize we are still using this one is still 2 by 2. Okay, so you know that 29 and 18 is closer to a reference number 20. Okay, do you agree with that? Okay,
Yes.
so if I'm going to use this now, you realize 20 is the same as, you can tell me 20 is the same as 10 times 2. 10 times 2, right? Yeah, it's the same as 20. Okay, so to make your work easy, you can either do that, or you know that any number, when you have 0 with any number, it's just the number, then when you are done you add your 0 to it. Okay, for instance, I can just, because it's 20, if I multiply, I can just multiply by 2, and then when I'm done I'll add my 0. Do you understand that one too? Okay, so now the first thing is, when you have this one, 20 times 18, you need to ask yourself, okay, what reference number do I need for this that will help me to do the work with ease? Now, okay, we say we want to use 20 because 20 is closer to this number. Okay, the second question you ask yourself, what is the difference between the reference number and the number I'm dealing with? So 29. So realize that 29 is bigger than the reference number. It means that it will go up. Okay, so our circle will go up. Do you understand with that? Now when we talk about 18 is less than the reference number we are picking here, so it means that the circle here will also go down. Do you understand this point? Okay, so now when it's going down is negative, meaning that if I have here should be negative 2. Why? Because 18 is less than 2 of what? 20. So if I subtract 2 from 20, I will get my what? 18. Here should be plus. Okay, it means that if I add 9 to 20, I should also get what? 29. Do you understand up to that point? Okay, so now I can continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can continue now. So now the next question you have to ask, we have to do the cross way. Okay, the crossway. So this one is going with this, and then this also go with this. The figure for 18 should go with the figure for 29, the one that you are multiplying, and this one also should go with this. Any way you subtract, you should get the same answer. So if I subtract 2 from this, I should get what? 27. Okay, now if you are using this one, it means that if you add 9 to 18, it should give you 27. It's the same way. Do you understand that? Hello? Do you understand? Now you know that we are dealing with what? 20. It means that we need to multiply this by 2. Okay, you can just decide to multiply by 2 and add your 0, or the way I break this one down, you can go by that. So here supposed to multiply by 2. So this one, when you are done, you don't write your answer straightforward. Okay, so here I can decide to say the answer that I got was what? 7 times 2. Okay, you can either do it that way, or because of the time, sometimes you can do all and put it there. So here should be times 2. Okay, because you have 2 here, it's supposed to be times 20, but you can pick 2, and then when you get your answer, so you know that when you multiply 2 by 27, from our previous experience, you already know. So this one, 7 times 2 will give us what? 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 54. Okay, you add it to this, so here should be 54. So your 54, you can add your 0 to that. In the same way, you can multiply by 10. Is the same. So now you know that 20 times 27 will give you 540. Do you understand? Okay, so now the next thing is we have this. So we multiply the one in the circle. Okay, so -2 times +9. Negative times positive is always negative. You have to keep that in mind. So you know that the answer that we are getting should be a negative answer. Okay, so 2 times 9, -2 times 9 will give us what? -2 times 9, -18. So yeah, so we have -18. Okay, so now my answer should be 8. So now you know that this is negative. Okay, so if it's negative, you are supposed to subtract. Okay, so here should be 2, right? Here should be 2. Okay, because here you borrow 1 to this side, right? So making 10 here, so give you 2. There we left with what? 3. So it will also give you 1. 1 minus 3 will give you what? 2. Okay, then you have your 5. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, is it difficult?
No.
It's not difficult. Okay, so if you are, but mostly, let's say if you have more, what we are doing is we always want to work with 0. Okay, so any number that you are given, you can decide to do that. Okay, let's take it another one again. I'm giving you another one so you can think about it. Okay, so I have here 15. So if 15 times 17, which reference number will you take? Looking at what you've done so far,
20.
Wolo is 20 and then 10. Which one is better? sometimes it's not that 20, so you have to decide which one is better. 10. Okay. Okay, so let's see 10. Someone is saying 10. So let's see 10. So I have my reference number 10. Let me circle. Now one is saying 20. So I'll do 15 times 17. Now this time I'm picking reference number 20 because someone says 20. Let's see the two. Which one is? So you now, so this one is what? Definitely we are going up white because everything is what? Less than what? Is greater than the reference number. So you know that your circle should be up. Definitely you know that you are dealing with positive numbers. So now this one you need to be what? 5. So you can just do it quickly. 5 here will be what? 7. Okay, so the number that we are going to do, we cross this one will also go with this. Okay, 5 plus this will give us what? 5 plus 22, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have your 22 here. Multiply by your 10 will give you what? 220, right?
Yes.
Okay, 220. So you multiply the top one. 5 times 7 is positive, so 5 times 7, 35. So you have your 3, 5. Sorry. Okay, so 3, 5. So this one will give you what? 5,
That's correct.
5, 5, 5 or 2, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so if let's go with the other one saying 20. So now we are picking 20 as our reference number. Okay, so now you ask yourself, this one too is going up, right? Right? Is it going up or down? Down, right?
Down.
Okay, so now we go down. Okay, we go down. So now here will be what? 5 minus 5.
Yes.
Here will be what?
Yes.
Here will be minus 3.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Lisa, should we write it?
Yeah, you can write it. Okay, those that couldn't get it here, kindly write it down. Okay, so now we have this. We just do our crossway. Let's do our crossway. So with this crossway, what are we getting? What is the answer? Who can give me the answer?
Your battery is going.
Yeah, I'm charging.
Oh.
It's what? It should be the same. It should be the same answer.
No, it can't be. It should be. It can't be. It can be.
It can be.
When I work this out, it's rather 255.
It's rather what?
255.
55.
Or the 20.
How? How?
You did 15 times 17.
Mm-hmm.
And because it's under 20, so 15 minus 3 equals 12. So 12 times 20 equals 240.
200 and what? 40.
Negative 5 minus negative 3 equals positive 15.
Uh-huh.
240 plus 15 equals 555.
555. So is it the same or different? Is it the same? Different.
No, it's different.
Okay, I'm connecting with my machine now. Okay. Okay, so let me share my screen again with you so that you see it.
No.
Okay. Okay, so this is what we were doing. Okay, so we have here, this one is minus 5. Okay, so if I have here is minus 5. If you are, in case you are not seeing it well, this is minus 5. So I have here should be minus 5. Okay, here is supposed to be minus 3. So let me clean here in case you are not seeing it well. Minus 3. Yeah. So now those that you gave the answer, we have to check it and see. It should be the same. So minus 3. Okay. So now what you need to do is cross way. If I subtract this from the, what will be the answer? 3 from 15 will be give us what? 3 from 5.
12.
What?
12.
12. Okay. Okay, so I have my 12 here. But then you have to know that this one we are dealing with what? 20. Okay, so you have to multiply 20 by, here supposed to be 2 times 10. Okay, it's the same as 20, or you can say 2 times 12 will give you what? 22. Then you add your 0 when we are multiplying it. So here should be 22. Yeah. Hello. Okay. You can come. Do you understand? We are dealing with 20, so we multiply 20 by 12. Okay. So 20 by 12 will give us
240.
200 and what?
40.
Okay, so when you multiply this one, 2 times 12 is what? 2 times 12.
24.
2 times 12 is 24. Then you add your 0 to it. So 200 and what?
40.
Okay, so you have your.
40.
Okay, so now you have to write that one down. Okay, so 240. Okay, so I'll just clean this one here and I'll write that. Okay, but for the sake of those who want to understand, so let me do that so that they will really get it. So here will be 12 times 20. Okay, and your 20, you can just forget about the 0. So this one will give us 240. Okay, 2 times 12 will give us 24. Then you add your 0. Okay, now we come to the down part. Okay, so the down part is -5 times -3. Negative times negative always will give us what? Positive. I believe you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we are expecting to get a positive answer. So this one will be what? 15, right? Right? Hello? -5 times 3. -3 is what? Positive what? 15. So here will be plus 1 5. Okay, so here will be 5. Here will be what? 5. Here will be 2. Okay, you see that is the same answer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so anyhow you do it, any reference number you pick, you should get the same answer. Okay, now if you take your, let's say we want to confirm. Now I told you something like confirm. Our time is up, so I don't want to go into that. Tomorrow we will do proof of work. Now proof of work is whatever you've done. Since we don't want to use calculator, how do I know that this answer that I've gotten is correct? Okay, it can apply to any math question that your teacher will give you. Once you are done with your work, you can use your pencil to check your answer to know that this one actually.
You uploaded another one.
No, I've not uploaded any work. Okay, I've not uploaded. So make sure all your work that you've done there, you've submitted them. Okay. Today I will make sure you go over them. Now let's see. I want to check my answer to see if what I've got is correct. Now I'm just doing. I'm not going to teach today. Tomorrow you do that. So 20. Okay, now answer that I got is 2. Answer that I got is 255. Okay, I want to check my answer. So to do that, I need to first. So here will be this plus this will give me, here will give me 3. I need a 3. Here will give me 2. Okay, so I have here this. So 3 times 2 will give me 6. Okay, so I have 6. So I'm expecting to get the same 6 here. So once I do here, here will sort 5 5. So 2 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, let me see. My answer should be, this one is 10. 10 plus this is also going to give me the answer that I'm getting here. So if I go through this, I'm supposed to get the answer that I'm having here. Here should be 5 2. Here should be, this one should be 3, which is also going to be the answer that I'm getting here. So as you can see here, it's 2. So it's 1 0. Okay. This one. Okay. So now, so tomorrow what we do is you do the proof of work. Okay, so anytime you have been given a work, you have to see those who have been part of my previous class. You actually know how to prove your work. Okay, because sometimes most of your time, you don't joke with your time. Okay, so tomorrow we will deal with proof of work, and then I'll take you through step by step how to prove your work, and you can apply to any of your math testing. Hello.
Sir.
Yeah.
Do you let's continue Sundays?
Hello.
Do you eat on Saturday?
No, Saturday we couldn't meet. Saturday I told you guys to go through all the work that I've given you and practice for Monday. Okay, so I didn't give any work. Okay, and Monday too we did what we all go through. Okay, it was the test that we went through.
We didn't do the final level.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, sir. Bye bye. We didn't do the final level. Sir, we leaving now?
Yeah. The time is now. Make sure you send all your assignments to me. Those that you've not done them. Okay. Send them to me.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Send your assignments. Those. Yeah. Bye. Make sure you send your assignment to me. Okay.
I'm almost done.
You're almost done. Okay, so if you're almost done, send them to me. Okay. If you have any challenge, you can stay behind. If there's no challenge, then we are done.
Please, we didn't do the final round.
Which final round?
Yesterday's final round.
Yesterday, but we completed it. You know the one who won it yesterday, or you didn't know?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Now maybe you left.
But
Okay.
my network went down.
You what?
So I have no idea. I have no idea someone wants, but my network went down.
Oh, okay. So now the one who got the highest mark was from Koforidia. Okay, they got 13. Accra got 12. Who had 9 points, and then Takrady got 6 points.
So who challenged the robot?
Now the robot, we didn't do anything with the robot. Will be the final one after our class. That's what you will do. So you need to practice more so that you can challenge the robot. Okay.
I am ready to challenge you.
Okay, then do more practice. Make sure you do more practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.